Doing some videos today with the Insta 360 family, the X series, which is the X5, and the Ace Pro 2. Going to get some shots, mix them up, and have a good day. I'm out here with the 3mm stick, and I don't find it easy for me today holding at the very leading edge. It just is what it is. And I thought I'd grab a couple of shots. I really do want to dunk this in the water and see what's down below, but I'm not doing it. Well, I am gonna head on back. Got my shots, got my fun, got my share. I'm about arm's length away, and I'm doing, you got it, Insta frame. So I have two videos in one. I have a 360 and on me Insta frame. Well, I got it on the bike. I opened it up to one large diameter pole. I really do need some support so to hold the weight, and I'm gonna go get a bike ride. Let's go get on out of here, get some video going. I don't have my mic on. I believe I got the voice enhancement still on. Yeah, should do a mighty fine job. I should start to wear my other helmet where I have the LED. Now, got a boat going out, charter going out. Afternoon fishing for fluke. Beautiful day it turned out, and I made my decision. And if I go against what I want to do, I only got myself to blame. So the thing is, do I go this way or that way? Do I update or keep as is? I got my cameras. I'm not going to get upset if I update. I'll just live with what I got. That's my decision. You have to respect that. It's all up to you what you want to do. Well, I'm looking. Did the boat go? Did it pass? Not yet. A couple more seconds. I don't do eye-log or flat color. I'm going to give it a shot. Let me change on over. Now, the sun's very powerful and is up ahead on top, say about 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. The Marlin Jean going out. I can't do anything else in eye-log. Eye-log is your flat color profile where you do your luck. Well, we're going to change on over and go forward. I didn't hear the beep. I just felt the buzz. This is flat. Can you color flat? I'm sure you can. But I missed the shot of the boat going out. Oh, years ago when I had my JVC camcorder and how I zoomed in. Oh, I remember those days, and those videos are no longer on this channel. Oh, let me get started. on out. Straight up that whale, fish. That's how I hold my camera, like this, with the thumb ball facing down. And I can get to the break. If I'm happy with the way this mirror sits right here, I need to draw a nice line, white. This way, every time I move it, I know exactly where it's at, as well as over here. I can hold the stick behind me and get the shot I need to get. But I gotta put you onto the tripod, stop, take the time to set up. Maybe the next time I'll do it. Maybe I'll get a shot, put you away, and call it a day with the back shot, and I'll be done. Well, I did it, and I got my shots I needed. Off I go. I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next video. Yes, indeed. The Insta 360 family. Your choice. I got mine. You gonna get yours or not? Have a great day.